What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I want to share with you guys a strategy on Boom 300 and Crash 300 that you can use to actually make some good profits. As we all know, Boom 300 and Crash 300 are have got a very high pip value, which means they do pay a lot in terms of any entry that you make, right? So a single pip is going to be a lot valued when you're trading Crash 300 or Boom 300, right? But today I want to actually teach you a swing trading strategy that will allow you to even get more and more pips, right? But it will require a lot of patience. As you know, swing trades do take a lot of time to form. The setups for swing trades do take time to actually form. So you're gonna need to wait for the right and perfect setup before you enter into a trade. But when you enter into a trade, it's gonna pay off for all the days that you were waiting for the entry, right? That's how swing trading actually is. It's gonna pay off for the days that you were actually waiting and you actually hold the trade. But the reason why I really teach this swing trading strategy is because it's a safer way to trade, right? Because you're going to be following the trend. Once you get an entry, you know that whether it's a buy or it's a sell, you know that you are in line with the trend, right? It's difficult for you to do swing trading while you're going opposite direction with the trend. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post videos like this, okay? You can also join our free Telegram channel where I post strategies, where I post signals, where I post mentorships, where I post anything to do with trading, anything that is going to improve your trading journey. I also post my results in that group, so be sure to join that Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. You can sign up right now completely for free, and it will take you straight to my Telegram channel. And if you don't have an account and you want to be trading this Boom 300 and this Crash 300, be sure to sign up for an account with the links in the description box below again, right? I've also started giving out currency signals for free. So if you want to be part of them, please make sure you create an account with the broker in our description box below. I have left a link of our broker. If you sign up with that link, you will get free signals from me. So all you have to do is sign up with that link, send me a screenshot that you have signed up, and make sure you're also subscribed to this channel, and I will add you to my VIP signals group. Okay, so let's get into business. I'm going to remove everything that I have right here on my charts, and we're going to do the step-by-step process again of installing these indicators together. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install is a moving average, and this moving average has got the following settings or properties. We have a period of 46, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and then the styling. I chose the color black because I have got a white background, so black will be very visible to me. Then I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, we now have a black line running across our charts, which is perfect. The next indicator that we are going to need is a moving average again, and it is going to have a period of 15 this time. Sorry, 15, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and then the styling. Of course, just to change the styling, I'll put brown, then save, then done. Okay, and we are going to need a set of indicators on our indicator window 1, and it's going to be, firstly, we're going to install the RSI, or the relative strength index, in short the RSI, and it's going to have the following properties: a period of 6, apply to close, levels. You're going to need level 90, level 80, level 50, level 20, and level 10. Basically, you can put the descriptions that you see right there as TP2/sell for level 90. For level 50, that's TP1. Basically, TP stands for take profit. And then for level 10, that's TP2 and slash buy, right? And then you're basically going to click on done. And just to clarify on the styling of this RSI, please make sure the style is the color of your background. So I have a white background and the style I also have is white. If you have a black background, make sure you choose a black as your styling for this relative strength index, right? Then I'm going to click on done. And we're almost through. The last indicator that you're going to need is basically the MACD. So we're going to need the MACD. So going back to indicators, we want our MACD to fall under our indicator window 1. So click on indicator window 1, then look for MACD, and this MACD is going to have the following properties: a fast EMA of 12, slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 9, apply to close, no levels. And then the styling, please take note that the main should have a white color or the background color. I have a white background, so I chose white. And then the signal should have a red color, and you would have completely installed. So basically you're going to click on done, and as you can see right there, we have successfully installed our strategy. So now what's left is knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell. And this is a scalping strategy, which means for boom, we're going to be looking for sell trades, and then for crash, we're going to be looking for buy trades. Okay, so we're going to be using the 30 minutes time frame, and on the zoom level, basically you're going to use the third from last zoom level, or the third smallest zoom level, or the middle zoom level, right? And if you really find these videos informative, please make sure you also click the like button to support our channel, right? As still a baby, we're growing though. We're growing, and just to be part of the crew, please like this video and comment down below what you think and any other questions that you might have. Okay, so like I said, this strategy is going to basically help you move or trade in line with the trend, right? So you might find out that some of the conditions might be met, but then the last condition that you would require for an entry will not be met, and that's good because it means that it's not a correct trade and you should wait for the perfect trade, right? So let me start by looking for the perfect sell trade that we need for us to enter a sell trade in this with this strategy. So the first thing that needs to happen is you want your red signal line to be in our 80 to 90 level, which is basically our sell section, like that, like what I have highlighted on my screen. So once you see this, you're going to go to your main chart, and this is where you're going to get confirmation. And the confirmation is you want to wait for a crossover to happen between the brown and the black line, where the brown line is crossing to be below or the black line. And once that happens, you're going to enter into a sell trade, right? As you can see like that. Let's look for another example where it happened. Okay, right here, our red signal line was in the level 80 to 90, which is our sell section, and then the brown line crossed our black line to be below, and as you can see, we could have sold all the way down, right? Now let me show you what I was talking about when I was saying the core conditions have to be met before you enter a trade, because you're going to be following a trend. Can you see that we are in an uptrend here, right? We are in an uptrend, but can you also see that here where our first condition was met, our red signal line was within level 80 and 90. So if you had rushed to take that sell trade, can you see that no sell ever came? Why? We actually continued in an uptrend, right? No sell ever came. This is why the main chart is important and needs to be followed, right? It needs to be followed because it shows you that once the crossover happens, then we're changing trends. We're changing trends. So be sure to be careful. I was actually looking at this setup and I thought it was going to be a sell, but I had, because it was already selling there. But this crossover did not happen. And can you see the market kept on pushing up again? So please, guys, make sure you wait for the right conditions to be met and you get your entry properly, because you are in a high time frame and mainly you are going to be focusing on the trend. You need to have the trend on your side, right? The same thing happens even if you are on crash 300. Basically you're looking for buy setups, right? Here's a nice buy setup. We are in our 20 to 10 level, which is for the buy. And then right here, our brown line this time has to cross to be above our black line. And as you can see, we went all the way up. And can you see that the trend goes on and on and on. So you really have would have picked up the whole trend. So don't be worried if you are not getting entries, because you know that when you get them, you're going to trade the whole trend. You're going to milk the broker, right? So please go and practice this strategy on your charts and comment down below what you think. Until next time.